As global climate change intensifies, extreme weather events are becoming more frequent. Protecting the environment is no longer just a challenge, it has become an urgent call to action. The demand for emission-free, eco-friendly products that can generate carbon credits has become an inevitable trend. With a profound sense of social responsibility, pioneers have established a foundation in Langchana, Tan Hoa, famously known as the bamboo capital of the nation. From this place, Babuking Vina emerged, driven by the aspiration to build a green production base and aim for sustainable development. In addition to ensuring a stable output for local raw materials, it creates jobs for thousands of workers and makes a positive contribution to the local economy. We consistently prioritize cutting-edge modern science and systematically invest in production technology. This includes advanced hydrothermal modification technology for wood and bamboo, combined with post-treatment nanocalcium. This process transforms the physical and mechanical properties of wood and bamboo, significantly enhancing their durability and weather resistance, ensuring they meet construction standards. With a sustainable vision, we have established a zero-waste circular economy model. Instead of discarding byproducts, we repurpose them to produce biochar, which not only removes carbon from the atmosphere, but also enhances soil quality and nurtures crops, with the capacity to absorb up to 2.5 tons of CO2 per ton of biochar. This is our secret weapon in the fight against climate change. From the outset, VA Booking has always seen challenges as opportunities for growth, viewing difficulties not as obstacles but as stepping stones to stronger development. From terrain challenges, construction, transportation, equipment, and machinery, to fierce competition from traditional markets, we have consistently moved forward with determination, believing that the key to success lies in a cohesive, strong team, sharing the same awareness, ideas, and goals. Thanks to the contributions of thousands of individuals and the invaluable support from agencies, departments, leaders, and partners, VA Booking Vina has firmly established itself on the path of development. The factory is built on an area of 15 hectares with 75,000 square meters of workshops with a maximum capacity of 400 cubic meters of finished wood and 500 cubic meters in total per day. We always ensure our ability to reserve and supply the maximum to projects and works to meet the needs of customers both domestically and internationally. As a factory that is focused solely on the production of raw materials, Booking Vina's main products include wood panels, wood flooring, bamboo flooring, wooden doors, stairs, and both wooden and bamboo furniture designed for both interior and exterior use. Additionally, the company also produces a variety of handicrafts and biochar for the market. We are not just a manufacturing plant, we are pioneers in building a green value chain, delivering dual benefits of economic development alongside environmental protection and social responsibility, creating tangible benefits for the community. We are expanding our scale, establishing a distribution network across all 63 provinces and reaching international markets. Booking Vina is committed to partnering with others, sharing benefits, and together creating valuable outcomes with superior quality and competitive prices. Booking Vina offers products that not only meet today's needs, but also contribute to a sustainable future. Booking Vina, where sustainable values are created.